How to log into Pinterest account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to log into your Pinterest account. To log into your Pinterest account, make sure that the app is completely up to date. To begin with, launch open the Pinterest app or install the app from your respective app store. After completely installing the app, you'll be provided with different options, either to log in with your email address or continue with Facebook or Google. Select one of these options or select the way you have created your account. Tap the next button, type in your password associated with your account, and as soon as you type in your password, you should be logged into your Pinterest account. And for some reason, if you're unable to log into your Pinterest account, such as incorrect information or incorrect credential, you could double check that, verify it. You could also turn on or turn off your caps lock, all that, and that might be able to help you out. So this way you'll be able to log into your Pinterest account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.